Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so I'd like to show you how to make some balsamic sauteed chicken thighs with mushrooms in the air fryer. Yes, we're going with the air fryer today. Okay, alright, so let's do it, Thumbs up, share the videos please, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. Okay, let's do it. Thanks. Okay, so this is two very large chicken thighs with they came skinless and without the bone. Okay. Alright, so let's start with our seasoning. I'm going to put Flavor Mate Original on it. Lemon pepper. And the Flavor Mate and the lemon pepper is salt free. Granulated onion. Okay, and I have some crushed garlic. This is equivalent to 1 heaping tablespoon. And then this is balsamic vinaigrette that I'm going to be using. I'm going to shake it up. That's probably, I don't know, a half of a quarter of a cup of balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, let's just mix it all together. Then we have our mushrooms. I'm going to add that to the mix. This is, I bought a pint of mushrooms, and this is actually 3/4 of that pint. Mix that in. Okay, now I want to season this all one more time. Let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm putting the lemon pepper on again. The Flavor Made Original. I'm putting that on again. And onion, granulated onion powder. How about that? And let's add some basil to it for some color. Basil. And some more balsamic. So we're probably going to be up to a quarter of a cup of balsamic total. Okay, this is the pan that I'm going to be using for the air fryer. Let's just pour that in. Okay, I'm going to wash my hand. Okay, now we're going to add some olive oil. Oh, I think we're ready now. Okay, I'm going to show you that. 1 second. Wash my hands. And by the way, I cut the chicken thighs up in long strips about the size of your finger. Okay? 1 second. Okay. So that's what we're looking like. I'm going to put that in. Let's turn it on. Let's cook this at 360. We're going to start with 15 minutes. And I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, thanks. Okay, our 15 minutes have stopped in the air fryer. Let's take a look. That's what we're looking so far. What we're looking like so far. The balsamic gives a darker color because that's the color it is. I'm just going to flip everything over. Okay, let me give it a temperature. I have my thermometer here. Now I'm going to have to stick it through quite a few pieces because they're small pieces. Okay, we're at 148. Chicken needs to go to 165. So I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to set it up. I'm going to go back to 360, I'm sorry. 360 is the temperature we're cooking at. And let's go I'm going to go 10 minutes. That'll give us a total of 25 minutes. Okay? Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is saving some of your money. Saving some of your money. Saving your money is a choice. It's something you can do or not do. is something you can afford to do or maybe not. Saving money can save you later. Like when an emergency comes up, it'll be there for you. Or when you make a decision that calls for extra money, it'll be there for you. Saving money can give you peace of mind. So if you would like to look back and feel that you're a little more comfortable because you saved money, go ahead and do that, because that is a rewarding feeling. Saving your money is the word of the day. Thanks. Okay, I stopped the air fryer after 8 minutes. As you can see, it's 2 minutes left. Let me show you right here. So it cooked for a total of 22 minutes, not 25, okay? And the temperature did reach to 168, okay, on the thermometer. Okay, so let me plate it up. I have some garlic mashed potatoes that I'm gonna plate it up with to show you. 1 second. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, so here's the plate of food I plated up for you. The balsamic and mushroom vinaigrette chicken, tomatoes, and mashed potatoes. Okay, so let me taste. Okay, the balsamic chicken and mushrooms. Mmm. Very tasty, very tasty. Mmm. I can do this. The mashed potatoes. And a piece of tomato. Very good, guys. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and try it. 22 minutes in the air fryer. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.